Good morning, friends, superior teachers, and sir. Today I am going to explain chapter number 11 of English 2, our picture of the universe. This was the time when Professor Brucel Russell was giving a introduction on professional physics. A woman named Lucia was sitting in the first bench nearer to the professor table. After the lecture, she asked to Brent Russell that the explanation he gave was wrong and was foolish. The explanation of Brent Russell was like this: that Earth is round and Earth is the Sun is static and the Earth is revolving around the Sun. But the old woman was foolish. She said that the explanation you give is rubbish. The earth is flat like a plate and it is on the back of the tortoise. Then the professor asked, what proof do you have? What proof you have to say this, that the earth is flat and tortoise, over the tortoise the flat earth is kept. The woman said, no proof, this is my mindset and this is all true about the universe. What did you know? You are a silly professor, and I have the knowledge of the universe. He said, and the professor agreed. The next day, Russell came earlier in the class and he said, students, earth is flat and it is laid in the back of a tortoise. All the students shocked and said, sir, this is wrong explanation. You are explaining wrong. So the professor said angrily, you don't know, you are the silly foolish students. I am the professor, I know. Then the lady laughed and said, this is the moral I teached to you. The universe is full of excitement and full of glory. We don't know what happened before and after and today. I was saying to teach you the lesson because you are very greedy and not listening to my words properly. So the professor said, how did you break my anger and greed? Then the old lady Lucia said that if I was wrong, how can you explain this wrong explanation to the students? If you agreed with me, you can tell me. You are a stupid and foolish. The professor get angry and said, you silly woman, I will castigate you. You are the old woman. That's why I am giving respect to you. If not, what has been done with you, you can't imagine. Lucia said, this is the moral of life. What you will do with me and what will happen with me decides the universe, and the whole universe you don't know and I also don't know. The professor said and agreed. After that, the professor said, sorry, I was agreeing with you, but you also learned a lesson that to agree in every situation is a right thing. The old woman Lucia also agreed. This was the story about the picture of universe. I hope my explanation and you enjoyed this story. Thank you.